Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.
Hi guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video. So today I am going to Primark. Yeah, let's go to Primark. I don't know how much I'm going to film in Primark. I don't know, it depends on how busy it is and that kind of thing. So let's just go and see what's going on in Primark. Let's see what they've got. I'm so excited. I haven't been to the big one since it opened again, and today is the day. It's Sunday today. It is 1:20 at the moment. It's going to close in like 3 hours, so let's go see. Town is so busy. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I drove in. I should have like got a bus or something because it's so busy. Or maybe I should have walked. I literally live like a half an hour probably walk away from town, so I should have just walked. It's so busy. Look at this. It's packed. Also, the ball ring is having a makeover apparently, so it's got like this dressing on it. Dressing, I don't even know. Yeah, look at the ball ring right now. It's got this thing going on. Don't know what they're doing to it. Apparently they were making it into chocolate buttons, and then I realised that that was just an April Fool's. This Primark trip better be amazing because I've literally had to go all the way around. Didn't realise all the roads are closed, so I've just had to go all the way around. Back literally, like I was just over there. Now I'm over here. There's the ball ring. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know where I'm going to park. Probably park in that car park there, even though it's so expensive. But you know what? It's alright. It's alright. We can do. So guys, I'm back from Primark now, and I got a lot today. I'm not even going to lie. I got so much. It's probably the biggest Primark haul that I have to show you. I got quite a few kids things and quite a few things for myself. A few home bits. Let's just get into it, shall we? So I came out with these two bags. Like, I bought this bag ages ago and I just took it with me. I was like, just fill up this bag first, and then I had to fill up another bag because I had so much stuff. So these are the two bags that I came out with. First we will start with the kids bag, which is this one here. I'm just gonna put whatever comes out of here out and show you. So I got a cap for Easter. This says whatever. This was £3. It's so cute. I love it. Like, it's so cute. He looks so cute in caps. Now it is just the mission of getting him to actually wear it. I don't know, but it's really cute. It's like camo. It says whatever, and I just think it's cute. He has a lot of camo stuff. Next we have a pair of denim light blue shorts, and these are for the summer. He hasn't got any clothes that fit him in the summer. Like when it's warm outside, I was struggling to find something that it was actually cool on him, so I picked up some of these lovely little shorts. He's got some like darker blue ones as well, which I bought from Next, but these ones are just like a really light blue. I'm going to try all these clothes on them, and then I might have to return them because I don't know if this would fit around his waist. I don't know, we'll see, but they're really cute. These were £5. And then I picked up some more comfy shorts for him, and these I actually picked up in 2 to 3, even though he's gonna be 3, because they look really wide around this part and you can't really, oh, you can tighten them. But they look really wide, so I thought they'd be good for him now. There's a khaki green, and there's also this like whitey grey kind of colour, which they both go with a lot of the clothes that he would actually wear. So those two were £5 for 2 pairs. And then I picked up some t-shirts for him. These were all £1.80 each, and there's this one here which is a dino print. I think it's so cute. He loves dinosaurs, so this is perfect for him, and it would go with his cap because it's like a khaki colour, and it's just so cute. He loves it. I already showed him and he's just like obsessed with it. He was like, I want to wear it now, but I said no because I gotta show you guys. And then I also picked up this to match his cap. It's just a camo t-shirt, £1.80 again, in size 3 to 4, and it's just a really nice one. Like, these ones are just, it doesn't matter if they get ruined because they're only £1.80 and they're just simple summer t-shirts. Next, I picked up a really bright one with black dinosaurs on it, and it's just so cute. I love this print, and he does too. Like, he's obsessed with it. When I showed him, he got so excited. He was going, Triceratops, Brachiosaurus, I don't know any other dinosaurs, but he just loved it. So I had to pick up the dinosaur ones for him because he's obsessed. Next, I picked up some jeans. These are like jogger type jeans for him. I don't know if these ones are going to fit him. Again, I got 2 to 3 and he is going to be 3. These ones you can adjust the waist as well. They were £7 and they're just really cool looking jeans, and I think they would fit him because they do look really big. So we'll just see. I'll try them on him and see how they fit. They do say slim as well, so I don't know how that's going to go because he's got chunky legs. Let's see, we'll see. And that's everything I got for Isa. Moving on to Elisa's stuff. I didn't get much for Elisa because I know that she likes to choose her own clothes now. So I picked up some things that I knew she would like. So I got some pajamas for her. These are the Mickey and Minnie Mouse ones, and they're purple. So of course she was going to love them. They were £10 for 2 pairs, and they're the t-shirt sleeve with long bottoms, which is perfect because she gets really hot when she goes to bed. So I thought those would be perfect for her. And then I also picked up some 3/4 length kind of shorts. Are they shorts? Like leggings? Yeah. 3/4 length leggings. £3.50 for 2 pairs. And I think these are like, when it's not too hot outside, these are perfect to wear under dresses and stuff like that. So I picked those up for her. Or she can just wear it with like t-shirts and just whatever she wants to wear them with. They're just a really kind of good thing to have in a little girl's wardrobe. And then the last things that I got clothing wise is 2 pairs of shoes for Elisa. I did look at the boy shoes, but I just didn't really like any of them. They had so many good girl shoes, so many. I found it really hard to decide. I picked up these. I'm regretting getting white, but I think that like on Eid, if it's not too warm, she can still wear these because they're like really pretty kind of can you see? They're really pretty kind of slip-on trainers, and they don't look too kind of boyish, not boyish, but too sporty. So I picked those up for her and she's tried them on. She loves them. They were £8. They're just really cute, like summery shoes when it's too cold to wear. Sandals. And then speaking of sandals, I picked up some sandals, and I love these sandals so much. If they had these in my size, I would get them because they're so cute. I actually did pick up some similar ones for myself, but I prefer these. Aren't they just the most adorable sandals in the world? These were £6. £6 for these. How cute is that? I love them so much. And she's tried them on. She says they're really comfortable. So yeah, those are really, really cute. Love them. Anyway, that's everything I got for the kids. Moving on to the next bag. In the next bag, you can probably see the first thing I'm going to pull out of this bag. I picked up some of these. They were £1.50 each, and they are trees. I don't know. They're just like artificial plants. I don't know what they're called. I am not good with plants. I just love the look of them. I love fake ones because they don't die. But these, I think I'm going to put them in this room because if you can see behind me, there's a very similar style which I got from IKEA. So I'm just going to put these in here to maybe like in this corner here or on my desk. I don't even know. Yeah, or maybe on my bedside table. I don't know. We'll see. But I really like them. I got 3 of them. So this is like one. They look really cute. I think they look cuter in a big bunch like this. But I'm no like interior designer, so I don't know. So that's the first thing I got for myself. There's another thing that I got for Elisa, but this is an Eid present, so I didn't show her. That's why it's in this bag. She just always goes on about dressing up like a unicorn and loving wings and the unicorn hairbands. Like she's got unicorn hairbands, but the main reason I got it is because of the tutu, and she just loves dressing up. So I picked this up for her, and she loves rainbows. She's gonna just love this so much. So this was £5, and it's just one size fits all, so it's like a stretchy waistband, so it's just for any little kids. So that's for Elisa as a little Eid present. Moving on, I got some things from the home section. Now I picked up this. It is a washing basket for lights and darks, and I just normally have my pink basket just lying around. We chuck clothes in there, but I thought I might as well get one of these because it just makes it easier to stick clothes in the washing. And I think this would look really cute in this room as well, so I'm going to put that on that side of the room over there just to chuck clothes in, and it's easy to just carry to the washing machine as well. I don't know, guys, this was one of those purchases I was like, should I get it, do I need it? And then I was like, it's cute, so yes I do, and it's £5, so got that. Next I picked up some of these reed diffusers. Now I love candles and everything, but I feel like there's so much effort to just put on all the time, so I picked up some reed diffusers. I actually got 3 of these. This is Golden Spice. I didn't even smell them. I don't know how you smell reed diffusers before you buy them, so I didn't smell them. I just like the sound of them. This one, I love the packaging of this one. Look at it, it's so pretty. Can you see it? So gorgeous. Let me smell it, let me smell it. It was 80, oh, smells very cinnamony. So yeah, that is this one. I don't know where I'm going to put them yet. I'm probably just going to put one in here, one in the bathroom, and one in the living room maybe. This one is called Golden Spice. This one is Coconut, and I can't remember what the other one was, but yeah, cute. Then I picked up some organic cosmetic melts. I don't know why I picked up organic ones, but we'll see if they're any softer or any better than normal ones. I don't know. I don't really know, but I always use them, so I was like, let me just get some. I couldn't find like the other ones. I picked up some scrunchies. These scrunchies are super soft. There's like a creamy one, a blue one, and a pink one, and I just prefer scrunchies. I feel like it makes your hair tug less when you pull it out, so I picked up 3 of those. And then I picked up some more earrings. I love hoops, as you know. These ones are really cute. They've got little diamonds around the edges, inside and outside, which is super cute. I thought I would get some of those. I just love earrings. And I picked up some more of these little hairbands because I don't know where my other ones have gone. They've just disappeared. I've got like a bag of these which had like probably that many in, but I don't know where they've gone, so I picked up some of those. They're just perfect for like when you do plaits in hair and things like that. They're perfect. And then I picked up a vest top. This is just to wear under clothes. I always wear a vest top under my clothes because it's just nice and warm. And then I picked up some of these earrings. These ones are more fancy. I don't know when I'm going to wear them, but I just thought they were really pretty. So imagine those like on Eid or something. I don't know. I just don't know what I'm going to wear on Eid yet. I'm finding it so difficult to decide. It's probably going to be like a last minute decision of what I wear. Like I'm going to go into Primark at the last minute. I did actually pick up a dress which I'm thinking I might wear, but I don't think it's fancy enough. Like it's not that amazing. So you guys can let me know what you think. The story behind these is I picked up the size 8 of these, and they just are so tight that they just, like, I think it's the body sculpt ones. They're like, they run smaller because they're like body sculpt. But I just didn't like how they fit, so I picked up a size 10 instead. And they're just some fresh black jeans. Love black jeans. Next I picked up some sandals. These are so pretty. I don't know if my feet are going to fit in them because I have got fat feet, and these are not wide fit. I just realised that right this second. These were £8, but they're really gorgeous. I think they go so nice with the dress I'm about to show you now, which is this one. This is the dress that I was saying I might wear on Eid, but I don't know if it's like fancy enough. What do you guys think? What do you think? Is it nice? Is it pretty? Like, it's really nice. It's got a really nice texture to it. But I just don't know if it's like an Eid dress, you know? What do you think? I don't know. It's just a really nice like yellowy colour. I'd never really wear much yellow unless it's like mustard. So, you know, I could try it. I don't know, we'll see. Next I picked up a gym top, workout top. This was £6, and this is like a beautiful, I love this colour so much. It's like a winey kind of burgundy. It is £6 in a medium, and I just think it'll be really good and nice and baggy. I got a medium because I want it to be a bit baggier than normal, but I just think it's be really good for the gym. It's really lightweight and kind of thin. But yeah, that's gorgeous. I found the other reed diffuser. This one is amber and patchouli. Interesting. So they were all 80p. I don't know if I told you, but that's the other smell that I got. The last two things that I got, this is one of them. I don't know what this is going to be like on, but it was like the only one on the shelf, and I was like, you know, I'm going to try it because it looks so interesting and I think it would look really cute. I don't know, what do you think? £10. I don't know. I don't really know. What do you think? You like? And then the very last thing that I got was this. It is a sweater top and it's got a really cool texture to it. And I just love throwing things like this on when I'm not wearing a hoodie. I will wear like a sweater top because I think they're just the most comfortable things. It's got cuffed arms, it's got a cuffed like bottom thing, and yeah, that was £12. But that is everything that I got from Primark. This was like a big spend. I'm not even gonna lie, I spent like £150. I could not get my camera out to film because it was so busy. Like, I've never seen it that busy in my entire life. It was just crazy. I could not, like, I felt stressed out in there because I could barely move without banging into somebody. It was really bad. I feel like I should have waited and just went on like a weekday, but I was just like, I needed to go today because I've had such a stressful few days. I just wanted to like treat myself. I don't know. It's fine. It's done now. I got what I wanted. I might have to go back this week if I want to return anything. But that is going to be the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tell me what you guys are wearing on Eid and give me some inspiration. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.
Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah.